Lot number 206 is a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has a 5.9 liter gas engine that does not start. I tried spraying starting fluid and still it makes no attempt to start. It appears to me like the engine has no spark. It may have an ignition or electrical issue, but in my opinion there is no spark in the spark plugs. I've sprayed the starting fluid directly into it and it did not make any attempt to start. It turns over, I'll show you, but no start. I think I could even hear the fuel pump engaging when I turned the ignition on. Listen. That's all it does. It's got 140,000 miles. There are the miles, 140,475. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. The engine, transmission, and exhaust system all appear to be complete and in place. Front bumper is dented. Paint is peeling and faded. Tires look worn. It's missing all the hubcaps. Body is straight. City decals have been painted over. Utility box shows normal wear. It's got paint peeling. It's got surface rust. It's got dents and scratches. All the cabinet doors but one open and close as they should. The floor in the bed appears to be solid. Here's the driver's side, and the middle cabinet is the one that appears to be broken. You can see it coming apart in the bottom. It feels loose and it does not open and close as it should. All the other ones do. Again, it shows wear. It's got a little head rack, maybe to put a ladder or something, made out of aluminum. I'll show you the interior. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The driver's seat is torn. The dashboard is cracked. It's missing the bezel. Headliner's hanging. Center console armrest is torn. Passenger seat looks good. And passenger door panel is missing the knob to put the window up and down. All right, there it is. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's lot number 206. It's a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500. It's got the 5.9 gas engine and it appears to have no spark. Good luck.